G'day, I'm Grant from Motion, and with me today is Richard from Loctite. Welcome, Richard.
Thank you very much for having me along today.
You're welcome. So we're going to talk a little bit about, I suppose, investment in people and training and more importantly, ensuring that the application and the use of the product is right for where it's being used.
We have for many, many years been offering what we call a Maintenance Reliability Workshop, and I think it's what differentiates us from the competitors out there at the moment. We put a focus on the customer. We like to put them at the centre of everything that we do, and they're in our best interest to increase reliability, decrease downtime. So we have come up with a program where we will go on site, we will do a plant survey, check out their facility, have a look at what products they're using, what difficulties they might find, have they had failure stories. We'll collate all of that information and we will customise a training session based on our Loctite products that should be able to deal and address all.
What's it going to cost me to have someone like your level of experience in conjunction with a Motion representative to come to site? What's the cost to the customer?
Interestingly, the cost to the customer is we don't put a cost on it. If the customer is using and putting trust in the Loctite brand and are using our product, we will come and do that on our behalf.
So tell me about some of the observations you've had with respect to this MRW, this training on site.
Yep, I think when we do a plant survey and talk to the customer and understand their business, a lot of things are uncovered. So we find out they may be using too much product in one application and flooding an area, so we can reduce the amount of wastage. There could be other occasions where they've got two products that are very similar, and we say, listen, you don't need to buy two. Let's consolidate down to one. It will do the same job for both applications. And then it also gives us a chance to talk to the technicians and the fitters and the workshop people. You know, what are the common problems that they've been facing? Can we address those and take them away, take those pain points away?
So tell me about the training rollout. So ideally, where does this happen? Does it happen sort of on site? Does it happen sort of in a lunchroom? Where's the best outcomes that you've seen when you've rolled out this training?
We like to adapt and overcome. We'll say if you've got a nice, beautiful training room, we'll take that. We'll get the people in, get them nice and comfy. But in the same token, you know, a lot of us come from trade backgrounds that work at Loctite, and we can go into the shop room floor, into the workshop. We're comfortable, and we can still communicate and get the messages across. We keep people engaged because the sessions are actually hands-on. So we get them to do all the pieces and the demo pieces and the trialling of the products themselves.
Thanks very much, Richard. If you'd like to know more about the Loctite MRW program, or you'd like some technical support from someone like Richard here today, contact your nearest Motion branch.